Hello, today in class we're going to continue with our assignment on the topic of direct proportionality. In the previous lesson we solved a problem where we worked with directly proportional quantities. Today we are going to solve a similar problem but with a different condition. The condition of the problem is as follows. There are two quantities, A and B, and the value of A and value B are directly proportional quantities. But there is a certain condition. The value of A is directly proportional to the square of B. And when A is equal to 20, B is equal to 2. And we need to find the value of A when B is 6. Let's write down the condition. The value of A is directly proportional. Or to the value V, but to the square of B. A condition is given where equals 20 is 2. And we need to find the value of A when B equals 6. In solving this problem, we will again write down the expression that we use to write down directly proportional quantities. And that notation looks like this. Y equals K times X, where K is a constant. From our condition, the quantity A is proportional to the square of the number B. So we write A equals times B. And in this case squared, because the condition gives the square of the number B. Using this expression, we will again find the quotient of K in order to subsequently find the value of A. But we will square B. Let's return to our condition. When A equals 20, instead of A, I write 20 equals K times B squared. Now, and this is a very important condition in this particular problem. So instead of B, I write 2. And I'm squaring 2 squared. The result is 20 equals K times 4. And I can find what the quotient equals. The quotient equals 5. And then when I found the quotient, I can find the value of A, because A equals the quotient times B squared. A K I have is equal to 5. Then A is equal to 5 times. And B I have in the second case is equal to 6, which is 6 squared. Then A equals 5 times 36. Equals 180. We have found the value of A. Solving problems on proportionality, pay attention to the conditions. What are these values? Directly proportional, or we will consider also inverse proportionality. If the quantities are directly proportional, pay attention to the conditions. In our case, we have the value of A is directly proportional to the square of B. And then, using our notation of direct proportionality, we found the value of K and then the value of A. And then we found the value of A. In the next lesson, we will study one more task on direct proportionality. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you again.